What's up, you guys? Hope you're having a fantastic day today. In this video I'll be showing you how to get cats on your Android device. Now for this you will need Android 11. If you don't have Android 11 you're not going to be able to get cats, but you will be able to get something similar, kind of. I'll explain later on. Just keep watching. But I have over 500 cats on this thing and I'm going to show you how to do it because it's super simple, so let's just jump right into it. Alright, so this feature I'm going to be showing you all today is what is called an Easter egg, or like a hidden feature. Now, this has been part of Android for a long time if you didn't know. Back in Android 2.3 is when the first one was introduced, and since then they've included it in versions of Android. But I think Android 11 is especially cool, that's why I'm going to show you it. So usually these are accessed through going to settings, making a few special taps, and then it pulls it up. And they're usually interactive images, animations, or even sometimes games. So we're going to start with settings. Let's jump right into it. Scroll all the way down, click on About Phone. You're then going to click on the third one down, software information right here. And then you're going to tap a bunch of times on the Android version. Now you're going to use this little toggle thing and go all the way around, come all the way back, all the way around, come all the way back, and all the way around. And you should see an 11 and a little cat here at the bottom. Now, you're going to click out of settings, go up here to your devices. So you're going to go to your panel here, devices, click on the three dots, click on manage apps, then you're going to click this toggle here to turn on cat controls, and you're going to select all three of these boxes. Now you're going to go back. Now this is where you can get your cats. Now the little water bubble here is a little slider, you can go back and forth. I haven't noticed that does much, but it's kind of cool. To get cats, you're going to want to tap on this little button right here, and that will call a cat to you. Now you can use this toy feature as well, but I want to show you how to get a cat first, so I'm going to wait here for this to go, and when it goes, we'll skip to it. Alright, I just got a cat, came in, this black cat right here, comes in that little notification icon, and then I can look at these on my other cats, by the way. So I'm going to go back to my devices, and like I said, that's how you get a cat. You tap on that food icon, and they eventually come up. I think it was like 10 minutes that passed by until I got one. And then you click on this, we'll put this away, and you click on this little icon for the toys, and that will summon a cat, and it will come up in a little notification, and it will put its little emojis right there too. So, probably want to see how many cats I have. So if I tap on one of these boxes, it shows up all these. These are all the cats that I have. I think these ones are pretty cool especially. But last time I counted, I had 543 cats, and that new one I just got would be 544. If you just pass me, or if you do this and you get some more cats than I do, make sure you count them. Comment down below and let me know that you passed me, how many cats, and I'm going to keep trying to get cats too, so you don't pass me. But let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.